In the previous module, we discussed how title transfers in real estate and the different types of deeds used to convey ownership. Now let's apply those concepts with several Arizona-style exam questions. These questions are designed to test your understanding of deeds, title transfer, and recording. Let's begin. Question 1. Which party transfers ownership of real property in a deed? A. The grantee. B. The grantor. C. The trustee. D. The beneficiary. The correct answer is B. The grantor. The grantor is the person who transfers ownership of the property. The grantee is the person receiving the property. A helpful way to remember this is that the grantor grants ownership. Let's try another question. Question 2. Which type of deed provides the greatest protection for the buyer? A. Quitclaim deed. B. Special warranty deed. C. General warranty deed. D. Bargain and sale deed. The correct answer is C. General warranty deed. A general warranty deed guarantees that the seller holds clear title and promises to defend the title against claims from any previous owners. This provides the strongest protection for the buyer. Now let's look at another scenario. Question 3. A property owner signs a deed transferring whatever interest they currently hold in a property, but they provide no warranties about the title. What type of deed is most likely being used? A. Special warranty deed. B. Quitclaim deed. C. General warranty deed. D. Trust deed. The correct answer is B. Quitclaim deed. A quitclaim deed transfers whatever interest the grantor has in the property, if any, but it does not guarantee that the title is clear. These deeds are commonly used between family members or to resolve title issues. Now let's move to recording. Question 4. Why is recording a deed important? A. It transfers ownership of the property. B. It guarantees that the title is free of defects. C. It provides public notice of the ownership transfer. D. It eliminates the need for title insurance. The correct answer is C. It provides public notice of the ownership transfer. Recording a deed places the transaction into the public record. This protects the buyer by notifying others that ownership has changed. Here's another question. Question 5. What is the purpose of a title search? A. To determine the market value of the property. B. To identify the current mortgage payment. C. To review the history of ownership and identify possible claims against the property. D. To determine property tax amounts. The correct answer is C. To review the history of ownership and identify possible claims against the property. A title search reviews the chain of title to confirm that ownership transfers were valid and that no unresolved liens or claims exist. Understanding how deeds transfer ownership and how title is verified will help you answer many real estate exam questions. In part 3 of this topic, we'll cover exam memory tools and common traps related to deeds, title insurance, and recording laws. If you're serious about becoming a licensed real estate agent in Arizona and want mentorship beyond just passing the exam, connect with me. I'm building a team of well-trained professionals who want to build their careers the right way.